Alright, this is the Venetian, I believe. What do you think, babe?
I think it would be fun.
Yeah? Take a ride on this tonight or something?
Yeah.
For your birthday?
That would be nice. I'm sure making a reservation in advance is required.
Maybe.
How many of those have tipped over, you think?
Not many. I'm sure they know what they're doing. Crazy how blue that looks. It's like a really cool looking blue. Look, I think he's trying to pick us up.
Oh my gosh.
You guys in alright? Can you get picked up over here? You gotta go over there. It's pretty cool.
Look at the ducks.
Oh, little duckies? Probably can barely see them on the video. Oh look, we're gonna have an awesome video shot of this.
Look at the seatbelt. They're serious.
It's gonna be brilliant. That is such a wide, cool pan. Perfect timing for video. Very cool.
Come on.
Okay. Alright, we're going to the Spice Market Buffet, I believe it's called. So, you got the Mirage over there, you got Venetian right here, you got... I was pretty close to booking the Venetian a couple times because it's usually really expensive.
Yeah?
But I've seen it a couple of times.
Holy gee.
Huh?
This place is nuts.
Yeah. Alright, we'll continue later. GoPro turn off. Or GoPro stop recording.